Ooh, yeah, we had a good day. We got a $1,710 profit in about 5 hours of trading, and I'm going to show you a couple of the trades here right now, right here, and maybe you can start doing the same sort of thing. Now, this is a large account, so that you guys know that I don't trade on high risk. So $1,700 is not a massive percent move for the account, but we will show you them anyways. So here is the proof. First of all, I will drag the thing across, and you can see that we have there's my name, Hunter 17. You can see the trades there, 1710 in one day there. Perfect. So first, guys, just looking at my phone here, one of the trades was the USD Swiss, and that was a trade that I had posted in yesterday's video. One of a good trade there, and I'll put a little notification up there so you guys can see the actual video if you want to watch that in more detail. Now, this is all done on the 16th day is when we took all our profits. So the actual trades that we took here on the 15th is when we entered, but we didn't take any profit until on to the 16th day. And I had talked about this trade, how we were looking for this reversal here after a massive move up, and we came back down and we saw the reversal coming here. And you could have even entered here after you saw the bounce up here once again, that massive momentum move right there after you saw that reversal and that retest right there. You could have re-entered on there, but we did actually just happen to enter. And if you do want to again see this in more detail, please watch yesterday's video. I will link it in the description or something like that, so you guys can see more detail on that video. So we did take profits on there. So the next trade that we did take on the 16th here as well, this was the big money maker because we were able to close out our entire position here. We shorted from the tops here, and the reason we shorted here was because we saw this downtrend starting on the higher time frame here, and we saw a retest of this untested supply area, the rejection off of this zone right here, and then we entered on that retest right here, on that quick retest there after we saw it breaking back down below these lows, and then we saw the retest. We entered short, and then we had a nice trade right about there. And then we took half of our profits off along these lows here, and then we let the rest run to the very end there. So that was a 5R and then also a 10R trade. So that was a great trade for us right there. Moving on, we did a quick trade, and it simply was on the 16th here, same sort of bias that went hand in hand with the euro. He quickly kissed that, and then we rode it back down, and we took profits along the way there. Very similar trade on the 16th. And now also I will say that one of the trades, let me just look, was also gold, $650 on gold, but there was also a lose on gold, $330 on gold. So we also profited $30 on a gold trade, $300 on a gold trade rather, and I just followed that as a signal group as well. I do not personally trade gold, but that is in my signal group that you guys can check out if you do like. As always, guys, if you like the content and you want to look for some signals, please follow me on Instagram in the link in the description. And there is a signal group and a Discord that you can join if you want to be part of the most woke community in the world. See you guys next time.
Listen.